This is Vivian Berry reporting for Cyberbrief by CybLynx, where we break down the real cyber threats affecting real people, businesses, and communities every week. Today's alert: ransomware is back on the rise, and it's nastier than ever. We're talking about digital hostage taking. Hackers get into your system, lock up your files, and demand a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency. No payment, no files, or worse, they leak your sensitive data online. Here's what's new. Attackers are no longer just targeting big-name corporations. Now they're coming after small businesses, local hospitals, public schools, and even individuals with personal cloud storage and smartphones. In 2025 alone, ransomware attacks have surged globally by over 70%, with Africa and Latin America emerging as new hotspots. What's driving the spike? 2 words: ransomware as a service. Yes, you heard right. Hackers are now offering ransomware kits for rent on the dark web, allowing anyone, even non-tech criminals, to launch attacks with just a few clicks. So how do you stay safe? Back up your data regularly, both online and offline. Keep your software and antivirus up to date. Never click on suspicious links or download unknown attachments. Use strong passwords and enable 2-factor authentication everywhere. At CybLynx, we're tracking these threats in real time and helping our community prepare, respond, and recover. Because here's the truth: you can't always stop the attack, but you can control your response. This has been your Cyber Brief. I'm Vivian Berry, and I'll see you in the next report. Until then, stay alert, stay protected, and follow for more.